Let's take a look at the Twinkl Phonics Suite app. The app is available for iPad only. Simply search for Twinkl Phonics Suite in the App Store. Now download the app. It's free. Once you have the app downloaded onto your device, you can log in with your Twinkl credentials. This brilliant phonics app has activities from phases 1 to 5. An adult prompt will take you to the Parent and Teacher Guide section. Here you will find helpful information about the activities and guidance on letters and sounds, phonics assessment and tracking, and the Year 1 screening test. You can also find video guidance on various aspects of teaching phonics. Select your phonics phase from the app homepage. Phase 1 contains fun, interactive games for all 7 aspects. Here's one of the rhyming games, Rhyming Soup.
Press the Start button to play the game. Can you find the words which rhyme? Drag them into the soup bowl to make your yummy rhyming soup.
Children can click on the pictures to hear the words said aloud.
Toes, bin, nose.
Then they can click on the rhyming items to put them into the soup bowl.
Well done. Well done. Toes, nose. Dig, bear, pig. Well done.
Children are prompted to have another go if they get it wrong.
Sorry, that's not right. Try again. Well done. Dig, pig.
Phase 2 contains lots of fun games, including this CVC Word Game.
Press the Start button to play the game. A picture will be shown to you, and your job is to try and spell it with the letters given in the pink boxes. Drag these into the boxes at the top. Press this button to check whether you have spelt the word correctly. Dad. D.
If children forget the word they are making, they can press the picture to hear it again.
Dad.
They can also press the sound buttons to hear the sounds of any letters they have already placed.
D. A. D. Well done. D. A. D. Dad.
In the hard game mode, children have more letters to select from.
Hat. H. A. T. Well done. Mat. A. B.
Children will be prompted if they make a mistake, and then they can have another go.
Sorry, that's not right. Try again. Mat.
Children can press the sound buttons to see if they can hear where they went wrong.
A. B.
Then they can make their correction.
T. A. T. Well done.
The interactive phonics fun continues with lots of games in Phase 3 and in Phase 4, including the ever-popular Buried Treasure game.
Arr. Click 𝗃𝗃 parrot to get ye word coin. If the word on the coin is real, drag it to the treasure chest. If the word on the coin is rubbish, drag it to the trash.
You can even customize this game, adding in your own real and silly words. Games in the Phase 5 section include Phoneme spotter stories. Choose a story according to which sounds children are practicing, and children can read through the story looking for and selecting the words that contain that sound. The stories include words using different spelling patterns for the sound. There is a handy counter for children to see how many words they have left to find, and if they get stuck, they can always select Hint On to have a quick peek at the words they are looking for. Remember, these are just some examples of the many games on the Phonics Suite app. Why not download it today to explore the full range? Have fun!